Hello, curious minds, and welcome back to KnowHook Facts, your ultimate pit stop for all things fascinating and factual. Our story today takes us to the land of picturesque landscapes, succulent lobsters, and surprisingly, toothpicks. Yes, you heard it right, toothpicks. The small wooden stick that you casually use to pick your teeth after a hearty meal holds a significant title. It's a story that's as pointed as the object itself. Have you ever wondered where most of these toothpicks come from? Well, brace yourself because the answer is quite unexpected. The serene and beautiful state of Maine, nestled in the northeastern corner of the United States, is hailed as the toothpick capital of the world. Surprised? Intrigued? Well, stick with us as we delve deeper into this prickly subject. Prepare to be amazed as we explore a seemingly mundane object with a remarkable title, the humble toothpick. Did you know that Maine, a serene state in the northeastern US, is hailed as the toothpick capital of the world? That's right, folks. We're poking at history here. The story of toothpicks in Maine is nothing short of fascinating. It all began with the Forster Manufacturing Company, a brainchild of Charles Forster, who set up shop in the tranquil town of Strong, Maine in the 1800s. This wasn't just any old manufacturing company, it was the beating heart of America's toothpick production. At its peak, the Forster Manufacturing Company was producing a staggering 20 million toothpicks each day. Imagine that, enough toothpicks to ensure every American had a clean smile with a few left over for those pesky popcorn kernels. But as the tides of industry changed and outsourcing became the norm, the toothpick production in Maine began to dwindle. Finally, in the year 2003, the last toothpick factory in Maine bid farewell. The last toothpick plant in Maine closed its doors in 2003. A moment of silence for our splintery little friends. And we're back! While the toothpick production may no longer be flourishing, Maine's legacy lives on in every minty fresh box we pick up from the grocery store. This small state has forever etched its name into the annals of toothpick history. Now, let's nibble on some toothsome trivia. Toothpicks aren't a modern invention. Oh no, they're as old as civilization itself, dating back to 3000 BC. That's right, our ancestors were picking their teeth while building the pyramids. And they weren't just using any old stick. In fact, they used a variety of materials, from bones to porcupine quills. It seems the quest for oral hygiene has always been a universal human pursuit. So, the next time you reach for that little piece of wood after dinner, remember, you're participating in a tradition that's thousands of years old. Thank you for tuning in and getting stuck in all that toothpick-euler history with us. Until next time, keep your curiosity sharp and your facts straight. Catch you on the flip side.